with glass walls, it's only
Inkampani, mawubuka lapha kubhalithi lodge, you don't even notice ukuthi no, it's a church laphana. It's a secret society. Ngobani uzudlula ubone ukuthi okay, ibhalithi lodge. Fine, unganaki udlule. But to those abakwazi ukubona, those who watch my videos, now they know ukuthi okay, it's actually a church. It's Church Yama Freemasons, and they benza certain things to gain power and bana certain influence like South Africa and even abroad. You just need to be a member and the doors open for you. But
from your research, what is the relationship between the Gothic?
Yes.
It's between the Gothic, the Satanic religion, and the Freemasons.
I think, okay, Mogwami, in the research that I did, I think the Freemasons, they stand alone, bona, as a society. We cannot really associate them with the Illuminatis and all that other stuff. Because angazi lutho ngabo, I did the research in Freemasons because that's what I was interested in. Because for some reason they had power. So I had to go back from the very beginning and find out where did it all go wrong. And then I found out it's okay, wakhona into my founding fathers, they existed back then. They wanted ukuthi baphile impilo erayithi. They were tired of having manje ukuthi basebenze. So manje they wanted to phila impilo soft. They wanted even my generations abo that are coming emva kwabo ukuthi baphile right. So they summoned a certain deities using grimoire yabo, grimoire yasetapayi. They summoned usetapayi unamagama amaningi. Depend ukuthi wena ufuna umbiza ngani, but khona ligama ngamele ulishwa kumele liphume umlomo wakho, you cannot say it. But yeah, they summoned yena. They did the deed, basho bafunani, washo wavuma ke. They signed the contracts, khona ama consequences that they had to go through because phela akubi mnandi yonke into. But yeah, from that point onwards, imndeni yabo, my founding fathers, bavele baba right. Since there are some families, also in my research, we've always known them to be wealthy. Like throughout history, they've always been wealthy. Abayazi inhlupheko, like ama Rothschilds. Amayazi inhlupheko leyo mndeni loyana.